Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you the cutest Halloween balloon backdrop that I have ever created. A lot of you guys have commented on my videos that you don't like Halloween because you don't like scary things. So I got this idea to do a pastel colored balloon backdrop, right? I wanted to use bright, light, pretty colors so it wasn't scary for you guys. All right? So let's get into the setup and then make sure you stay tuned to the end because I do have some announcements for you guys. All right? So let's get started. So with this backdrop, I tried using a cheaper paint, and I'm not going to do that again. Typically, I use Behr paint from Home Depot. All right, so now I'm going to start blowing up my balloons. Let me show you the colors that I'm going to be using. So this is a pastel pink by Sempertex, okay? And I'm just going to blow up a couple of different quads to use in my balloon backdrop. I'm going to be trying a new design with my balloons, okay? Because I want to do different things when it comes to my balloon backdrops, okay? So this is a pastel pink, and all of the colors that I'm going to be using, with the exception of one, are going to be by Sempertex. So remember, Balloons Online no longer sells Sempertex balloons. So make sure you check out my last video that I put out earlier this week so you can see where to order Sempertex balloons from, okay? All right, so now I'm just going to finish up with this bigger quad. I'm just going to twist the balloons together and then form this quad. Now, this is the only color that I'm using that's not Sempertex. This is called a Blossom Purple by Tuftex, but the only reason why I'm using this is because this is what I have in my inventory. You could always use the pastel purple color. It's like a pastel lavender color by Sempertex, okay? And I actually think that color may go just a little bit better than this color because it's lighter, okay? So I'm just gonna finish up this quad right here. I'm gonna blow up an 11-inch balloon and a 17-inch balloon, and then I'm gonna make a slightly bigger quad with these balloons, okay? Remember, if you are interested in learning how I create my balloon backdrops, feel free to sign up for a class. Now look at this color. I'm not sure if you guys have seen me use this color on my YouTube channel before, but this is a pastel dusk cream color. And now this is the last color that I'm going to be using in my balloon backdrop. It's also by Sempertex. This color is called Blush Peach. But I can tell you, it looks more like a peach color than a blush color. So I'm just going to create my last type of quad, and then I'm going to start creating my balloon garland. So let me show you this cute little sign that I got off of Amazon. So I got this wall decal for like $15. It's relatively inexpensive. And guys, they have all of these cute little signs on Amazon now. So I'm just gonna take this out of the package and put this on the backdrop. So I was worried that these were gonna be hard to apply to my backdrop, and I wasn't sure if they were actually gonna stick, but I'm not having any issues at all. All right, guys. So that was my idea for a little boo turns two birthday party. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. How did you like these colors? I will tell you that this looks much better in person. Like if you were standing in front of this balloon backdrop, oh my gosh, these colors are so nice. The only thing that I noticed was that this color right here, this peach color, it actually looks yellow sometimes when you take pictures of it. So if you don't like this peach color, you could always take this out and use a black instead, right? Or you could even use like a mint green color. Other than that, I just loved this balloon backdrop. I don't even want to take it down. Now, before I close out this video, I do have a couple of announcements for you guys. Today was my last online balloon class. So if you missed that class, if you didn't have the opportunity to sign up, if you're interested, you can go over to my website and purchase the replay, okay? So I am going to send out the class recording to anybody who wants to watch it, okay? The next thing that I want to say is that we are about to move into Thanksgiving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys different balloon backdrops in different color schemes that you could use for pumpkin themed events. Guys, I have some new colors that I purchased in my inventory that I cannot wait to show you, okay? So that's what we're going to do in most of November is I'm going to show you these different pumpkin inspired color schemes, okay? Last but not least, I want to let you guys know that I do have an in-person balloon backdrop class on November 23rd. So if you are interested in coming to my in-person class, make sure you check the links in the description, okay? I'm going to put the link to that class in there. And remember, I have a 20% off discount going this weekend. So if you're interested in coming to my class in person, check the description, get that discount code, and go over to my website and sign up. All right, so those were my announcements. If you guys have any questions on any of the materials that I used, make sure you check the description of this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.